Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode where we empower you to take on new and challenging projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and explore in the world of DIY. Ready to tackle a project that's both challenging and rewarding? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of electrical panels. Yes, you heard that right. Building your own electrical panel might seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance and a healthy dose of caution, it's totally achievable. Imagine the satisfaction of completing such a complex project on your own. Not only will you gain a deeper understanding of your home's electrical system, but you'll also develop skills that can be applied to a variety of other DIY projects. Plus, it's a great way to save money and ensure that your electrical panel is tailored to your specific needs. This guide will walk you through the process step by step using clear language and relatable examples. We'll cover everything from selecting the right materials and tools to understanding the basic principles of electrical wiring. By the end of this guide, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to tackle this project head-on. We'll demystify technical jargon and equip you with the knowledge to create a safe and functional electrical panel for your home. Understanding the components and their functions is crucial, and we'll break it down in a way that's easy to grasp, even if you're new to electrical work. Remember, while this guide provides a comprehensive overview, nothing beats the expertise of a qualified electrician. Safety is paramount, and if at any point you feel unsure or overwhelmed, it's always best to consult a professional. They can provide valuable insights and ensure that your work meets all safety standards. If you encounter any uncertainties, don't hesitate to call in the pros. It's better to be safe than sorry, and professional electricians are there to help you navigate any challenges you might face. They can also inspect your work to ensure everything is up to code. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. With the right mindset and tools, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. So, gather your materials, follow along with our guide, and let's power up your DIY skills together. Happy building! Before we even think about touching wires, we need to prioritize safety. Electricity is powerful stuff, and it demands our utmost respect. First things first, always disconnect the main power supply before working on your electrical panel. This is non-negotiable. Next, gear up with the proper safety equipment. Insulated gloves. These are your first line of defense against electrical shocks. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes from flying sparks or debris. Non-conductive tools. Use tools with rubber or plastic handles to prevent electrical current from passing through them. Remember, safety is not a suggestion, it's a must. Treat electricity with caution and respect every step of the way. Now that we're all geared up, let's take a moment to understand what an electrical panel actually is. This is a crucial component in your home's electrical system, often found in basements, garages, or utility rooms. It's the central hub where electricity from the utility company enters your home and is then distributed to various circuits. Think of it as the heart of your home's electrical system, responsible for distributing electricity to all the different circuits that power your lights, appliances, and devices. Without it, your home would be in the dark, quite literally. The panel ensures that each part of your home gets the right amount of electricity it needs to function properly. Inside the panel, you'll find several key components that work together to manage and distribute electricity safely and efficiently. These components include circuit breakers, bus bars, and neutral and ground bars. Each of these parts plays a vital role in ensuring your home's electrical system operates smoothly. Circuit breakers. These are safety devices that trip and cut off the flow of electricity if there's an overload or short circuit. They are essential for protecting your home from electrical fires and damage. Each circuit breaker is connected to a specific circuit in your home, such as the one for your kitchen or living room. Bus bars. These are conductive metal strips that distribute power from the main breaker to the individual circuit breakers. They are usually made of copper or aluminum and are designed to handle a large amount of current. The bus bars ensure that electricity is evenly distributed to all the circuits in your home. Neutral and ground bars. These provide a return path for the electrical current. The neutral bar is connected to the neutral wire from the utility company, while the ground bar is connected to a grounding rod outside your home. Together, they help to stabilize the electrical system and prevent electrical shocks. Understanding the basic components of an electrical panel will make the assembly process much smoother. It will also help you troubleshoot any electrical issues that may arise in the future. By knowing what each part does and how it works, you can ensure that your home's electrical system is safe and efficient. Just like any construction project, choosing the right materials is crucial for a successful outcome. The foundation of any building determines its strength and durability, and the same principle applies to your electrical system. Selecting the right components ensures safety, efficiency, and longevity. When it comes to your electrical panel, you'll need to be meticulous in your choices. The electrical panel is the heart of your home's electrical system, distributing power to every room and appliance. Panel enclosure. This is the metal box that houses all the components. It protects the electrical parts from dust, moisture, and physical damage. The enclosure should be robust and durable, capable of withstanding various environmental conditions. Make sure it's the right size for your needs and meets local electrical codes. The size of the panel enclosure is crucial because it needs to accommodate all the necessary components without overcrowding. Overcrowding can lead to overheating and potential hazards. Main breaker. This is the big switch that controls the flow of electricity to the entire panel. It acts as a safety mechanism, allowing you to shut off power in case of an emergency. The main breaker should be easily accessible and clearly labeled. Its amperage should match your home's electrical service. The amperage rating of the main breaker determines how much electrical load your home can handle. An undersized breaker can lead to frequent tripping, while an oversized one can pose safety risks. Circuit breakers. You'll need different types of breakers for different circuits, each designed to protect specific areas of your home. Circuit breakers prevent electrical overloads by cutting off power when the current exceeds safe levels. For example, 15 amp for lighting, 20 amp for outlets. Each circuit breaker should be chosen based on the electrical load it will support. Properly rated breakers ensure that your electrical system operates safely and efficiently. Consult with a qualified electrician to determine the specific components and amperage requirements for your home. An experienced electrician can assess your electrical needs, ensuring that your panel is equipped with the right breakers and components. This professional guidance is essential for maintaining a safe and reliable electrical system. Section 5. Assembling your panel piece by piece. With your components ready, it's time to start putting the puzzle together. Begin by mounting the panel enclosure securely to a sturdy surface. Next, install the main breaker and connect it to the incoming power lines. This step is best left to a qualified electrician if you're not comfortable working with live wires. Once the main breaker is in place, you can start installing the individual circuit breakers. Each breaker snaps into place on the bus bars. Section 6. Wiring your panel, connecting the dots. Now comes the part where it gets a bit more technical. Wiring the panel. Each circuit breaker will have two terminals, one for the hot wire and one for the neutral wire. The hot wire carries the electrical current from the breaker to the circuit, while the neutral wire provides a return path for the current. Carefully strip the insulation off the ends of the wires and connect them securely to the appropriate terminals on the breakers. Use wire strippers to ensure a clean cut and prevent stray strands. Section 7. Testing, ensuring everything is safe and sound. Before you call it a day, it's crucial to test your handiwork. With the main power still disconnected, use a multimeter to check for continuity between the hot and neutral wires of each circuit. Once you're confident that everything is wired correctly, turn on the main breaker and test each circuit individually. If a breaker trips, it means there's a problem with that circuit, and you'll need to double-check your wiring. Section 8. Keeping your panel in tip-top shape. Congratulations, you've successfully built your own electrical panel. Now let's talk about maintenance. Just like any other part of your home, your electrical panel needs a little TLC from time to time. Inspect your panel regularly for any signs of wear and tear, such as loose connections, burnt wires, or tripped breakers. Keep the area around the panel clear of clutter and debris, and consider having a qualified electrician inspect it every few years. Section 9. Conclusion, you did it. Building your own electrical panel is no small feat. You've taken on a challenging project and emerged victorious, equipped with a newfound appreciation for the intricacies of your home's electrical system. Remember, while this guide has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this DIY endeavor, always prioritize safety, and don't hesitate to call in a qualified electrician if you encounter any uncertainties. Now go ahead and bask in the glow of your accomplishment. You've earned it.